out to me, please?
And the frog.
Mm-hmm.
And the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. Go play. And the end.
That was a great book. Thank you for reading that.
Again.
Again. Okay. One more time.
Okay. Ready? Ripple. Back above book.
I'm ready.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ripple. Playing bait.
Uh-huh. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Who's that?
A pinner.
Who's that? Who's that in the book? Who's that in the book?
No, not a frog. That's a duck, right? There's a duck. What does a duck do?
Froggy.
What's he do? What kind of sound does he make?
A good point. And go.